creation suddenly articulate with 1,000 tongues to lift one cry. Then from north to south and east to west, we'd hear Christ be magnified. Were the whole earth echoing His eminence, His name would burst from sea and sky, from rivers to the mountain tops. We'd hear Christ be magnified. Oh, Christ be magnified, let His praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. Christ be magnified in me. When every creature finds its inmost melody, in every human heart its native cry, well then in one enraptured hymn of praise we'll sing, Christ be magnified. Oh, Christ be magnified, let His praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. Christ be magnified in me. I won't bow to idols, I'll stand strong and worship you. And if it puts me in the fire, I'll rejoice 'cause you're there too. I won't be formed by feelings, I hold fast to what is true. And if the cross brings transformation, then I'll be crucified with you. 'Cause death is just the doorway into resurrection life. And if I join you in your suffering, then I will join you when you rise. And when you return in glory with all the angels and the saints, my heart will still be singing and my song will be the same. Oh, Christ be magnified, let His praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified, let His praise arise. Christ be magnified in me. Oh, Christ be magnified, the altar of my life. Christ be magnified in me. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Christ Be Magnified by Cody Carnes. If you saw me using some chords in this cover that you didn't recognize, well, check out the link in the description below to a tutorial on how to play this song, but also there's a link down there to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, and in that PDF I'll show you some of those guitar chords that I just used and a bunch of other ones that you can substitute for your standard G, C, E minor, D. You know, those ones that you already know. I'll show you how to make them advanced. So check that out in the description below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.